Srimati Sulochana Devi Singh. My name is Neil, and I'm part of a human project for which I'm researching the medical facilities that are available in Thane. And it would be a great help if I could ask you a few questions about the facilities available in this hospital. So may I start?
Yes, sure, please.
Okay, could you start off by please telling me your name?
I'm Dr. Satish Kamath. I'm a cancer surgeon practicing in Asha Cancer Hospital, which is a 14-bedded nursing home dealing with cancer patients in and around Thane area.
Okay. What is the cost of a bed for one night?
Cost of the bed ranges from general ward, it is around 1300, to a AC room, it's around 4000 rupees.
Would you say that this pricing is reasonable and would be affordable to most people?
Yes, definitely it's reasonable and according to majority of the public.
Okay. What kind of facilities do you have available in this hospital?
In this hospital, we have diagnostic facilities for blood investigations. Then we have all cancer treatment available in the form of surgery, chemotherapy, and supportive care. We outsource the patient for specialized investigations like CT scan, PET scan, and radiation treatment.
Okay. If, let's say, when a patient came to you, you were unable to provide the necessary treatment due to unavailability of equipment, what hospital would you recommend the patient to?
Definitely, there are good four tertiary centers available in Thane where we take them. Like, did you name them?
Yes, sure.
Kaushalya Medical Foundation, Jupiter Hospital, Thana Healthcare, and Horizon. These four are one of the good centers where patient can be taken for full proper treatment.
Okay. The doctors that you have at this hospital, what are the minimum qualifications that are required for them to be employed within there?
The main doctors are all super specialists. They are MD and MS plus. The people working in the hospital, the RMOs, they are BAMS, and the nursing are all BSc qualified.
Quite often, depending on the severity of the ailment of the patient, cancer treatment can get quite expensive. So, if let's say if a patient is not medically insured or is unable to cover the full expense of the bill, does the hospital waiver the?
Definitely the patient is helped out. This being a small private setup, before starting treatment only the budgetary allocation is decided, and according to suitability of the patient, the treatment is given as per the pocket. There is no problem whatsoever. In case of any complications and all, they are definitely helped out and the charges are waived off. At the same time, we have a lot of social activists, social trusts available which help the patient with monetary fund and also with free chemotherapy medicines for the patient so that the treatment is not stopped.
Okay. Also, just a second, please. Does this hospital take up initiatives such as providing, like you already said, pro bono facilities, or apart from that, spreading awareness about kinds of cancer, symptoms, treatment, etc.?
Definitely, that's the most important part because early detection means cure. So that we definitely believe in that principle. So we definitely have cancer awareness programs, we have cancer detection programs, and we also have programs for de-addiction and stopping of addictions for college students, school students, rickshaw fellows, RTOs, and lawyers and chartered accountant depending on the availability. Regularly these programs are held. Not only this, supportive programs for the survivors are held round the clock to build up their morale so that they fight this disease in a far better way and improve the survival.
Would you say that you are able to cure, at least treat efficiently most of the patients that come to this
Yes,
hospital?
definitely the cure rate of stage 1 and stage 2 is more than 85%, whereas stage 3 definitely goes around 45 to 50% depending on their opportunity. Even for the late stages, nowadays survival has improved because of good medications which are given depending on the disease part.
So you will say that the patients coming here are satisfied with the care?
Definitely they are satisfied with the care.
Okay, and if you were to rate the medical facilities on an average available all throughout Thane to people of different backgrounds, how much would you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
Definitely, all the good centers are very good. All the doctors are very good. So definitely anything from 8 to 10 for all the schools.
Okay, and if you were to recommend something that could be done to improve the accessibility and the quality of the medical facilities?
See, the accessibility and quality is there's no issue. The question is pricing. You want to reduce the pricing so that the lower class is also benefited. Definitely, the authorities could reduce the necessary regulatory fees involved or renewal fees of all the registration and firefighting and environmental waste disposal charges, which are increasing every year in leaps and bounds. Because ultimately, if those charges increase, they are passed on to the patient. So if that can be kept under check and reduce the red tapeism in opening up new centers, so that because opening up a center, there's a cost of opening a center plus other factors which cannot be mentioned with that.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much for your time. This was a great help to us and
Thank
for our
you.
project.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.